I'm going to talk to you about some things I've learned in my journey. Most from experience, some of them I heard in passing, many of them I'm still practicing, but all of them I do believe are true.
I'm up here to say thank you to God for giving me this ability, for blessing me, for shaping me, for chastising me, for teaching me, for punishing me, for allowing me to be a vessel.
Give others and yourself more credit. It just happened. You witnessed it. You just did it. Believe it. Give your obstacles credit.
Good minds discuss events, great minds discuss ideas.
It's not easy. It is not. Don't try to make it that way. Life's not fair. It never was. It isn't now, and it won't ever be. Do not fall into the trap, the entitlement trap, of feeling like you're a victim. You are not. Get over it. Get on. And yes, most things are more rewarding when you break a sweat to get them.
I love movies. I love creativity. I love music. I love culture. And the fact that I actually have a place in it while I'm observing it and digging it is like, it's an honor.
Why do we celebrate birthdays? Birthdays are important milestones that celebrate life, growth, and cherished memories. They provide a moment to reflect on the past years, set new goals, and connect with loved ones. Each birthday is a unique opportunity to embrace change, appreciate journey, and celebrate individuality. Whether it's a grand party or a quiet gathering, the essence lies in honoring the person and the moment that saved them. Most of us focus more on the things that are missing in our life. That particular chord that we thought it would help. So we look and look for that particular key to fit in and make a perfect melody in our life. But we seem to forget that even with missing key component in our life, we can still strive with whatever we have in hand. A broken piano may lose several keys, but if you know how to play it, you can still make great melodies. quiet spaces between moments there is a murmur, soft, unassuming, the subtle voice of life itself. When we pause long enough to listen, really listen, we realize life has never been so silent. It's always speaking softly, truthfully, in hope for better days. In nature, the murmur of life can be found in humming bees gathering hectares, and in waters tickling over a stone, or the call of a bird in the distance. But in cities is the distant sound of footsteps, the muffled conversation drifting through the walls. Or the playful sound of people playing in the park. In Seoul, it's hope and love, and also resilience, the unseen force that carries us forward. Murmur of life evoke the gentle, persistent sound and the subtle rhythm that characterize our existence as human and also as individual. Three things that makes life beautiful is to be kind and respect everyone, live up to your values, and be content with what you have.